Let's see, where we finish off at here. Okay, my hammer drawer. This will be part 2. As you can tell, I got my, welding hammers back here, chipping hammers. Dead blow. Grandson got me this little black rubber handle one. Sledgehammer, little small sledgehammers. One ball peen, and this little ball peen right here. I tell you what, guys, I can't see ounces on it, but that little sucker right there is handy as it can be. This right here, I think this is from Actos, part number 296.750. This, gentlemen, is a serpentine belt tensioner, where you check a tension on this serpentine belt. I use it for slack adjusters to check travel. Yeah, I know. I'm old. I was born back in the day when you had manual slack adjusters. That's what that was for. This here is an Actos. I love this set. This set is, it's got the ratchet, the ratcheting screwdriver part, forward, reverse, and in the middle you put it and you got the, it just stays put. And then we got the T-handle here. Every one of these security bits and everything fit in it. For a wing nut, kick extension, quarter. Like I said, a little ratchet. I love that thing. That thing's come in handy many times. And then I'm not going to show you my drill bits. They're all broke and everything else. Here we go. Snappy. There is a difference. Y'all know what this is. Look there. Come on, door, stay open. You know, I got one trying to escape me here. This is all snap-on. Tap and die TD 2425. It's all here. Yeah, yep. It's all snappy right there. Handy. And it has come in quite handy throughout the years. So that, well, this is especially tools. I don't really need to get into it very much. Crow's foots. What is that? 1 inch. These are all my stubbies. Crow's foots. Ignition. Hell, I ain't showing you guys here. Ignition wrenches. All my stubbies up to 1 inch. Crow's foots. Craftsman. Snap on. Yeah, they stay in there. Nice little home for them right there. Nobody gets in that box. We come on down here. There's another ratchet back here in the back. I ain't gonna dig it out. There's a wrench. It is a, what is it? I have no idea what this is. Whatever that is. But it's in 13/16. Only damn near where I can get it in. And it don't fit in here too well. But anyways. Okay. These are all Mac, guys. These are all Mac. Anywhere from working on forklifts